In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload HTML website online or to the internet like this one using cPanel. You can use any cPanel at all, GoDaddy, Bluehost, Hostinger, but in this tutorial, I used Namecheap web hosting, but the process is the same. Before I begin, I clone a website using Purelander, which has a visual editor for you to clone any website. If you want to know about it, I have a complete tutorial how to clone any website or landing page in Purelander. This is the file. Double click it, that's the file folder, and when I double click again, this is the HTML download document with all the CSS, the image, and the JS. I'll show you how to upload on hosting panel. I'll click manage and click on hosting, go to cPanel. If you are using, let's say, Hostinger, Bluehost, GoDaddy, the process is still the same. First, I need to create a subdomain. I'll scroll down until I get to domains. There used to be subdomain, but they've taken it off. Click on domains, and as you can tell, this is the main domain, and I've created one subdomain out of the 30 subdomains. I can host 2 more domains with this plan, and it's just $2 a month. To begin, click on create a new domain. Instead of subdomain, you have to create a new one. I'll name it RECUT app dot. This is the subdomain name. I need to go back here, double click, and copy the domain name with the .com or .net or .ai, .io, whatever. Go back. When I drop it, the domain name must include a valid top level domain, which is what I'm about to add. So right click and paste it. Bam. You see that warning is gone. So this is my domain subdomain dot the top level domain name. I'm taking my time to explain. Click on submit. It's gonna take a little bit to propagate and work everything out. Just be patient. You have successfully created the new RECUT.successlinkage.com domain with the document. Scroll down. As you can tell, I have 2 subdomains with the main domain. Information: enabling HTTPS, free 1-year positive SSL. I want a secure website link. I'll click. It's in progress, and it says please allow up to 25 minutes. Right click and open. I'll show you something quick. Alright, your connection is not private, but as you can tell, it's working, not secured. I'll close it and I'll wait. I don't want to host a website on it yet. I'll come back after half an hour and continue. Half an hour has passed. Check if it's active. Click on sync again. Bam. SSL certificate is active. Let me right click and open it. See, it's active. When you double click, you can tell HTTPS is active, and that warning sign is not here anymore. I'll close it. I have to upload the file to publish it. Click cPanel to go back and scroll down. Click file manager. This is the subdomain name. Click on this and make sure you have the right subdomain name, especially when you have similar names on it. As you can tell, there's nothing in here. I'll click upload and select file or drag and drop. This is a RECUT app. Open. Depending on the size of your file, it might load fast. When it's done, it's gonna turn green. Please don't rush it. The maximum file you can upload is 19.72 gigabytes, depending on the plan you have. I'm gonna go back and reload here, and bam, you can see it's right here. In this case, I'll go back and just close this. Close it. Click on it. Right click and extract the file. Extract and click on extract files. So these are the files. When it's done, click on close. This is it. Double click it. After double click to open, the control button on your keyboard or the command, click to highlight everything. Right click and click on move. Delete all these slugs, like these numbers. Highlight everything, including the / or backward slash, and delete it. Left with RECUT.subdomain, then the .com, then click on move files. Click on the subdomain name on left, which is the subdomain folder, and everything has been moved in here. I can delete this file, which is the initial folder, but I'll leave it because it doesn't cause any harm when you delete or leave it, but I'll leave it. Alright, it's time to check if this website is live. I'll open a new window and type RECUT app.successlinkage.com and enter. Bam. This is it, live. This is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.